Buying a new truck is a big decision, especially if you plan to keep it for years. And while the 2027 Ford Ranger looks impressive on paper, there's more to ownership than horsepower, towing numbers, or a stylish design. What is it actually like to live with every day? Is it comfortable enough for commuting? Can it handle weekend adventures? And is it worth your hard-earned money? If you're thinking about buying the 2027 Ford Ranger, this guide covers the key things every potential owner should know before making a decision. Let's get started. Everyday driving experience. One of the Ranger's biggest strengths is how easy it is to live with. Unlike many full-size pickups, the Ranger is expected to be much easier to park, maneuver through traffic, and drive around suburban neighborhoods. Yet, it still offers the driving position and confidence that truck buyers love. For most owners, this balance is exactly what makes the Ranger so appealing. Whether you're driving to work, picking up groceries, or heading out for a weekend getaway, it feels practical without sacrificing capability. Interior comfort and technology. You'll probably spend more time inside your truck than looking at it, so the cabin matters. The 2027 Ranger is expected to feature a modern interior with a large touchscreen, digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and improved voice controls. Higher trims may include leather seating, heated and ventilated front seats, premium audio, and additional convenience features. Storage is also expected to improve, making it easier to organize tools, laptops, backpacks, and everyday essentials. For families and commuters, these small details can make a big difference. Capacity when you need it. Most truck owners don't tow every weekend or drive off-road every month, but when the time comes, it's nice knowing your truck is ready. The 2027 Ranger is expected to continue offering strong towing capacity, useful payload capability, and confident off-road performance. Whether you're hauling camping gear, towing a small boat, or tackling rough trails, the Ranger should be more than capable. It's built to handle real-life situations without feeling oversized the rest of the time. Ownership costs. A smart purchase isn't just about the sticker price. Future owners should also consider fuel costs, maintenance, insurance, and long-term reliability. The Ranger has built a solid reputation for durability, and if Ford introduces improved engine efficiency or expanded hybrid technology, ownership costs could become even more attractive. For buyers planning to keep their truck for several years, lower running costs can make a significant difference. Safety and driver assistance. Modern ownership is also about peace of mind. The 2027 Ranger is expected to offer advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Drivers who frequently tow may also benefit from Ford's trailer assist technologies and multiple camera views, making difficult tasks much easier. These features don't just improve safety, they also reduce stress during everyday driving. Who should buy the 2027 Ranger? The Ranger isn't designed for everyone, and that's actually one of its strengths. It's ideal for buyers who want genuine truck capability without stepping up to a larger full-size pickup. It's a great fit for commuters who enjoy driving a truck, families needing extra versatility, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone looking for one vehicle that can handle both work and weekend adventures. If that's your lifestyle, the Ranger deserves a serious look. The 2027 Ford Ranger isn't just about bold styling or impressive specifications. It's about delivering a well-rounded ownership experience. From daily commuting and family trips to towing, hauling, and outdoor adventures, it offers the versatility many buyers are searching for in a midsize truck. If Ford delivers on expectations, the Ranger could become one of the smartest truck purchases in its class. But what matters most to you when buying a new truck? Comfort, capability, technology, or value? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content right here on Next Gen Autos.